So another Saturday, come down. Last night I spoke to Nick just to sort out what was happening today, and he told me that the windscreen fitter had been down to take out the window. So that's one bit they need removing and taking back to mine, get them out of the way. But it would be interesting to see how well the quarter windows have come out, because at the time I stuck them in with Tiger Seal and also bolts, because I'd seen plastic windows blow out before, and they had the black trim to make them look standard because they're plastics for performance. So yeah, we'll see how well they've come out. Hopefully they haven't peeled off all of the black, but we'll see. Right, so here's the first one, and you can see it has, now I use Tiger Seal, and it looks like no matter what happens, as I take this Tiger Seal off, it's just going to remove it. So live and learn, but it could be worse, because we can just paint the black back on the underneath. Should be alright, but yeah, wherever the Tiger Seal was, it's just peeling it straight off. So obviously it wasn't stuck to the actual window anyway, it was stuck to the backing, the plastic. So, oh well, clean all this off and then I'll have to repaint this black to make them look standard. No worries. This is the passenger side window. The guy was obviously able to cut through more, but still the same thing. It's taken off the black, so I'll just have to get some, I don't know, enamel paint or like model paint for in black and just repaint all of these bits, because I'll have to peel all of this off just so it's all going to fit nicely again. Yeah. At least they came out in one piece, that's the main thing. Front window out. Now all I have to do is keep it safe until it actually goes back in the car. Fingers crossed. One thing I kept forgetting about was the interior light. So just unclipped it from all the way around, because of course all of this is going to get repainted and it won't end up being a factory colour anymore. And then this was left dangling. I think that was the last bit of wiring in the car. Going to go around and take out some other random clips like that and see what else I can get rid of. Yeah, little bits and pieces to do for a minute. Maybe take out, get rid of those as well.
So another day of grinding things. I've got a bit bored of it. We've had the difference of taking out the windows as well, and I've done some bits with that. So I thought I'd just show you what I'd done again, the areas that we were working on, and then you can see hopefully a bit of difference again. So all of these pieces, all intricate, takes loads of time to do. Done both sides of that. Same with the other side. And I've just cleaned up all of the window edge all the way around, taken off, bladed back the sealant that was left, and what I'm going to do now for something different, just to break up the day, is I'm going to unpick this because it's not going to get used anymore, and same with the other side. So drill out the spot welds, take them off the floor. So I can do that for now, just to do something a bit different. Just quickly show the reasons for removing things that are no longer needed, the amount of rust that was underneath it. And the same on the other side, was going rusty. If we'd left them and just painted over, that rust would have still been there. So, good thing. Going to be removing seam sealer. So just showing a few more bits that will be getting cleaned up. And then at some point you'll see the after. Right, back's killing, end of another Saturday, ended up working later tonight. It's sort of coming on for 8 o'clock, I think. Yeah, just show you the bits I've done. The front I showed earlier, that hasn't really changed. I then started to do some removal of bits, which I showed you, so removed those, then removed the seam sealer, so that's, majority of that is gone, and also started removing all the seam sealer around the turrets and other bits. As the boot floor is going to be getting removed, I've also started cleaning all of this up so that I'll be able to unpick the spot welds on it all the way around, and also do it down that side. So yeah, handy not having any windows or anything in it now, which means all the stuff can just fall out. But cleaned this up, gave it a bit of a wire brush and very light pitting. The rest of it all seems to be in good nick. Yeah, so another day done, another bit closer, a few more bits done. Yeah, see what I get up to next week now.